Hello, today we're decorating pretty unicorn cookies. I am Sophia the Hobbit. Before we start, these cookie cutters are designed by me. I draw the idea, I make them into a cutter, and I 3D print the cutters. All my files, the 3D files, are free. Print your own. Links are below. Roll it, cut it, put it on a pan, bake them, and now it's time to decorate. First we need to get the image onto the cookie. I made stencils to help. You can also make your own stencil by cutting up the original art, or use a projector of some kind. Eyeball the design, whatever works easier for you. Once you get the image on the cookie, start filling it in. Make sure you cover all of the lines. This royal icing is a medium consistency, so about 15-second icing. If you need icing consistency help, I have a tutorial on counting. The links are in the description. Outline then flood and use a stylus or a toothpick to push the icing around and smooth it out. Get all those air bubbles. Wait a few minutes for the icing to dry before adding other colors. The recipe for my sugar cookie dough and icing are in the comments below. For the horn, I started with a thicker line at the bottom, and then every level after that, I got a little bit smaller to give it kind of a triangle shape. When the cookies had a few minutes to dry, I painted the horn gold with luster dust. This is shiny gold that I got from a local cake store. Mix it with Everclear and paint. I like doing sets, so I made a horn cookie and a rainbow. I made this horn with hearts because I'm not super great with flowers yet, and I feel like mixing a million textures of frosting takes a while, to get the flowers. But really, if you wanted to do flowers instead of hearts, just use leaves to cover the extra cookie. Once the horn is dry, paint it gold with luster dust and Everclear. I like having the cloud as a space for a name. Start with the cloud, outline, and then flood. For the rainbow, I like to leave a space in between each color. So I'll start with the red, leave a space, then do yellow, leave a space, then do the blue. Then I'll fill in the other colors in between, like orange, green, and purple. There you have it. Shout out to my food and drink friends on Twitch. Check out Eateren. His live streams are a party.
So this is my little shrimpies friends here. You're good to go.
That's it for this video. Links for free cookie cutters and stencils are in the description below. Any questions or suggestions, just comment below. Thank you so much for watching.
Meow. Meow.
I'm so happy right now.
Meow.
Because I love cats.
Meow.
Oh my god.
Meow.
I don't think I'm the
I saw.
broken one anymore. I think y'all are the broken one.